Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. Now, for me, I don't really upgrade my watch every year or every other year because, it's a watch and it's going to do what it's going to do for quite some time. But now it is time for me to finally upgrade, as I'm currently still rocking the Series 4 Apple Watch. As you can see, I unplugged it around 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and the battery is now 20%. So, and it doesn't last all day like it used to. It's very old right now. And I figured I want to upgrade to something new with newer sensors and, and I do have some bands coming from Amazon because, Apple is a little bit overpriced with their bands. That's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and get this baby out of here. Off to the side. I like the packaging. I remember in the old days, that the wrist strap would be in the actual Apple box, but back then the Apple box was a little bit thicker so they could fit it easily in there, but now it's two boxes, which is kind of funny. You thought, they would want less recycling or whatever, and they'll just put it in one box, but now they have two boxes, whatever. So I decided to get this case, and like I said, I got other wristbands coming in from Amazon, and also a case protector. So stay tuned for those videos once they come in. So let's go ahead and box this here. Let's go pull this tab. And there we go. The Apple X watch in all its glory. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side for now. Let's go and pop this out. So it comes with the threaded charging cable again. Good job, Apple. And basically garbage. Let's go ahead and pop open this band here. All right. Pretty nice. I like the color combination. I did get the black Apple Watch here, as it stands out. I do like the space gray, the old space gray here. I still have the original Apple Watch, which at the time I wanted space gray, but it ran out really quickly. All right, let's go ahead and see if I can slide this out without breaking it. No, let's just tear this off. Look at that, starting up already. So I'm not going to show the whole setup because, of course, I'm recording on the phone that it's supposed to be on. So let me just go ahead and pop this band out. I'm sorry. Let's see. There we go. Beautiful color, beautiful color. And like I said, I will be investing in more bands. Of course, you're gonna have your sporty bands and then your going out bands and stuff like that. So I'll definitely be copping those later. So there is your first look at the Apple Watch Series 10. Comment down below if you have an Apple Watch. What series do you have? Is it older than mine, or is it about the same as mine? And will you be upgrading or waiting for, again, Apple Watch 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? Thanks for watching my video, guys. More videos to come. Subscribe, like. Peace out.